Hey guys, welcome to my channel at Ceci's Beauty's Place. If you're new to this channel, anyways, the channel is new and it's for makeup and daily tutorial. So yeah, I have my client who is set for makeup, and this is her natural look before the makeup. So this is before we start. The first thing you do is to dress the eyebrow. Starting with your shaving, making sure you have a very neat edges. Then you draw your brows and conceal using your angle brush and concealer, a lighter shade of concealer to shape out the down, while you use a normal shade for the upper part, shaping out your brows to make it look outstanding. So this is it here. Using my same angle brush to shape the brows and make sure you have that shape out. I'm trying to blend here. I'm using the transitory color already for my eyeshadow. This is after my blending of the eye part, the whole eye part. And here, after the transitory color, you have your base, your eyeshadow base. You have to apply your eyeshadow base, and your eyeshadow base should be something very attractive, making sure that your transitory color might not even be related to the color you want to use, but then it's just a base for your eyeshadow. So this is me. I'm already applying the eyeshadows and setting up the eye part, which is consisting of both eyeshadows, eyeliner, lashes, and upper and lower eyeliner. So this is it. I have applied. If you watch clearly, there are three different colors on the eye, and you have your eyeliner to make it defined. You're giving it that cat eye look. That's what the eyeliner is meant for. After priming the face, your foundation comes next and the blending comes up. Your blending is very necessary. So many makeup artists nowadays doesn't know how to blend, and this is where you have to give it your all, making sure you blend to the skin. After blending in your foundation, you have to do some highlighting using your pro concealer to highlight the T-zones. The T-zones are this part of the eye that are always the part of the face, sorry. The T-zones are the part of the face that seems darker than the normal face. So I have the forehead, the under eye, that's the both eye, the under eye, around your lips and your nose. So after I was done highlighting, this is my highlighting consisted of using a loose powder also. I was done highlighting, and here the lips. At this point, I was wanting something relating to the eyeshadow, which was purple and a touch of gold or silver, a touch of gold and silver, which I already blend together. So I made an ombre lip. Ombre lip is the two colors that blend together. So I made an ombre lip of purple and nude. So this is it. Trying to apply my bronzer, my contour and blush at the same time, setting up the face. And here is what we have. Please put on your comment section what you